adoption emergency regarding the following child: Benjamin, middle initial L, last name Yip. He is a black male born May 5th, 1999, with black hair and black eyes. He is about 3'7". He was last seen at an address in Enum County wearing a green Michigan State Spartans sleeveless t-shirt. He may have been abducted by his estranged father, Jonathan, middle initial M, last name Yip. He is a mixed-race male born June 2nd, 1978. He is about 6 foot, with black hair and blue eyes. And they may be traveling in a green 2002 Nissan Sentra with Michigan license plate Z14217. If you have any information, you are asked to call the Michigan State Police or the Enum County Sheriff's Office.